my name is Jessica Piper, and this is my circuit and simulation for the Digger Bot that is part of our group of reforestation robots. This circuit has two 9-volt batteries that power a DC motor and a hobby gear motor. There are two small breadboards and one L29 3D H-bridge chip on each of the breadboards. I have an Arduino connected to both breadboards and an HCSR04 distance sensor and a parallax ping distance sensor. The HCSR04 controls the DC motor to make the robot move forward, and the parallax ping controls the hobby gear motor, which makes the drill spin to create holes for the saplings to be planted in by the planter bot. The HCSR04 is only able to measure distances up to 13 feet, so this robot has to stop every 10 feet to decide whether or not to dig a hole. For small trees, the digger bot will make a hole every 10 feet. For medium trees, the digger bot will make a hole every 20 feet. And for large trees, the digger bot will make a hole every 50 feet. These distances between the holes make sure the saplings are not too crowded and have the best chance at growing. The sampler bot will send the coordinates of where the digger bot needs to start making holes, and then the distance sensor will read the distance of the markers that are placed every 10 feet and 1 inch and will stop when they are within 1 inch of the markers. The hobby gear motor will only spin once the HCSR04 sensor reads 1 inch and is stopped. The hobby gear motor will begin to spin and will stop when the parallax ping sensor reads 2.5 centimeters, which is about 1 inch deep. I will start off by scrolling through the code for this simulation. And now, starting the simulation, when the HCSR04 sensor reads less than or equal to 1 inch, the DC motor will stop and the robot will not move forward. This allows the ping sensor to move the hobby gear motor as long as it reads less than or equal to 2.5 centimeters. So when it is less than or equal to 2.5 centimeters, the hobby gear motor will spin, which will allow the drill to spin and create the hole. Once it reads above 2.5, the hobby gear motor will stop spinning. And when the HCSR04 reads more than 1 inch, the hobby gear motor will stop spinning and the DC motor will start spinning and the robot will move forward to the next marker.